Hello, I'm Sterling from Modernize My Site, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an interesting topic to discuss. Is SEO really worth it? There's a lot of controversy surrounding this, so let's dive right in. To kick things off, let's quickly explain SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making your website more attractive to the search engines. The aim is improving your visibility in the search engine results page, or what they commonly call SERP. With billions of web pages on the internet and users rarely venturing beyond the first page of search results, you can see why SEO is so vital. Now, many argue that SEO is too complex, and yes, with changing algorithms and a multitude of ranking factors, it can definitely be intimidating. But hey, aren't all marketing techniques a bit complex when you're trying to conquer the internet? With available resources and user-friendly SEO tools, mastering the SEO basics is becoming easier. Another concern, SEO takes time to show results. Unlike pay-per-click or display advertising where visibility is instant, SEO is like nurturing a tree. It needs consistent effort and patience before it will ever bear fruit. However, the rewards are often long-lasting and can generate traffic and leads for years. Unlike pay-per-click or display campaigns that stop yielding results the moment you stop funding them. Now, let's talk about those pesky changing algorithms. Yes, Google's algorithm updates frequently, but these updates are usually aimed at improving user experience. As long as you're focusing on valuable, user-centric content, your site is less likely to be negatively impacted by those algorithm changes. Sure, you might need to tweak your strategy, but you rarely overhaul it completely when using a sound strategy. The big question is SEO or paid advertising? Well, both can be effective depending on your goals. If you want immediate visibility and have a chunk of money to burn, paid advertising is actually really great. However, the effects of paid stop as soon as you turn off the funding tab. And on the other hand, SEO can provide you with sustained organic traffic for years. Did you know that a critical first step in leveraging SEO for your business is checking if people are even searching for keywords related to what you offer? Think about it, billions of online searches happen every day. And SEO, well, it's about capturing a piece of that colossal traffic pie and directing it straight toward your website. Use a tool like Keywords Everywhere to check for keywords users are searching for, or a website like Answer Socrates to get topic ideas. So is SEO actually worth it? Well, we know it is, for sure. With its potential for long-term organic traffic and ever-increasing ease of use, SEO proves to be an invaluable part of a successful online strategy. It might seem like a daunting task initially, but the returns can be well worth the effort. As always, thank you for joining us, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights.